4 degrees outside, an easterly wind, and that's a sign of some changes that are underway. Let's take a look at the radar picture. We're not tracking any rainfall locally, at least as of today, but what you can see is we've got a lot of low clouds across the southern half of the area, and these clouds are moving north. They're already into the Princeton, Kewanee, and Galesburg area, and you saw from our tower cam, they're beginning to make their way into the Quad Cities from the south, and we'll see more of these clouds spreading north as we go throughout the day. That's a sign that we're starting to see more moisture on the increase. So those clouds moving in from the south. We're also watching a cold front that's back here to our north and west, and that's going to be what's going to be impacting our forecast as we head into your Tuesday. And as this cold front moves off towards the east, it will bring us that next potential of showers and even the potential of some thunderstorms across the area as we start to see that moisture increasing and also those temperatures getting close to the upper 70s, close to the 80-degree mark as well. That will combine to create that chance of those showers and storms. So let me kind of time all this out for you hour by hour to give you an idea how the forecast changes over the next 24 hours. You'll be able to see we've got those clouds across the far south and east. Those clouds will continue to drift to the north. Now, it's not going to be completely overcast this afternoon, but we'll see more clouds than sunshine beginning to spread north into the area. So I think the temperatures will hover right around where they are now, maybe warming a degree or two, but for the most part, we're going to settle into the mid to maybe upper 70s. And then as we go into this evening and tonight, those clouds really begin to thicken up across the area. I think this model is overdoing some of the green on the map for your Tuesday morning. I can't rule out an isolated shower or a sprinkle, but I think we'll be waiting for the actual cold front to move our way to bring us a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. So watch as we go throughout your Tuesday afternoon. We'll have that southerly fletch. Most of the day, again, will remain on the dry side, but you can see that cold front approaching Cedar Rapids there around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And notice we are tracking a line of thunderstorms, and some of these thunderstorms could be on the strong side as they continue to make their way out to the east. Notice temperatures are well up into the upper 70s, close to 80. So it will be a little bit of instability to work with. So we'll be watching that very closely. And around, let's say, 4 to about 7 o'clock in the evening, that's when the cold front begins to make its way across the immediate Quad Cities area. So that's when we'll be tracking that line of storms moving in first from the west and then making its way across the heart of the region around 6 o'clock or so. So this could impact some of our afternoon commutes. If you're going to be heading home from work or school on your Tuesday afternoon, you'll want to make sure that you check and download our mobile weather app so that you can check the radar, because we will be tracking that line of storms making its way on into the area. And then as we head towards 9, 10 o'clock, most of that activity should push on off to the east. Our winds will switch out of the north and west, and that will start to usher in another surge of cool air. So as far as severe weather goes, the greatest threat of severe weather will be along and east of the Mississippi River there, where we do have a slight risk of severe weather, meaning that we could see scattered strong to severe thunderstorms, at least a couple of warnings issued. So we'll be watching that for you very closely as you go into your Tuesday afternoon. As far as rainfall totals go, we're looking at a pretty quick moving line of storms. So overall, on average, a tenth to maybe as much as a quarter of an inch of rainfall looks to be likely. Some folks could get a little higher amounts than if you get under one of those stronger storms. Then behind that cold front, once it moves on out, the northwesterly winds build in and another surge of chilly air begins to make its way into the region, and that will stick with us for the middle and latter halves of the upcoming work week. So heading on out for the rest of this afternoon, here's your forecast. Again, we're going to be looking at mainly those clouds increasing across the area with the temperatures climbing into the mid-70s for your high. And then your 7-day forecast, there you see it, the scattered showers and storms with that front on Tuesday.